Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Windmill W1W12 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. I've been looking through the internet and analyzing its specifications, features, and overall value. And if you're searching for a modern window AC that combines smart features, quiet operation, and an attractive design, the Windmill W1W12 stands out from traditional window units. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that makes this air conditioner different is its unique airflow design. Instead of blasting cold air straight ahead, the Windmill directs cool air at a 45-degree angle, helping distribute it more evenly throughout the room. The result is smoother, more comfortable cooling without having to sit directly in front of the airflow. With a 6,000 BTU cooling capacity, it's an excellent choice for bedrooms, apartments, home offices, dorm rooms, and other smaller living spaces. It cools efficiently while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment during hot summer days. Energy efficiency is another major advantage. The unit uses double-insulated side panels that help keep cool air inside while reducing outside heat and noise. This not only improves cooling performance, but can also help lower electricity usage and monthly utility bills. One of the biggest highlights is its smart connectivity. Using the Windmill Air mobile app, you can control the air conditioner from virtually anywhere. Whether you're coming home from work or simply relaxing on the couch, adjusting the temperature is quick and convenient. It also supports voice control through compatible smart home assistants, giving you completely hands-free operation. The premium features continue with a dual filtration system. A washable mesh filter captures dust and larger particles, while an optional activated carbon filter helps reduce odors and improve indoor air quality. This makes the unit useful not only for cooling, but also for maintaining fresher air. Customization is simple thanks to 3 cooling modes and 3 fan speeds, allowing you to fine-tune comfort depending on the weather and your preferences. Auto-dimming LED controls are another thoughtful addition, preventing bright lights from disturbing your sleep at night. Installation is where the Windmill really shines. Unlike many traditional window air conditioners that require multiple tools and complicated assembly, this model comes with a pre-assembled installation kit. Setup is designed to be fast, simple, and beginner-friendly, allowing most users to get the unit running with minimal effort. Its sleek, modern appearance is another reason many buyers choose this model. Instead of looking bulky or industrial, the Windmill features a clean, minimalist design that blends nicely into bedrooms, offices, and contemporary living spaces. After reviewing everything the Windmill W1W12 offers, it's clear this window air conditioner focuses on comfort, convenience, and smart technology. The efficient 6,000 BTU cooling, smooth airflow design, energy-saving insulated panels, Wi-Fi app control, voice compatibility, premium filtration, quiet operation, and hassle-free installation make it one of the more refined options in its category. So should you buy it? If you're looking for a stylish, quiet, and smart window air conditioner that's easy to install and offers excellent everyday performance for smaller rooms, then yes, I think the Windmill W1W12 is an excellent choice. It delivers modern features, efficient cooling, and a much better user experience than many conventional window AC units. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.